seen those faces.
Hi everybody. We decided to take a little road trip. This is a little loud here. I don't know if you can hear us, but we decided to take a little road trip, and we are actually up in Tarlac at the SM City. So we're gonna do a little window shopping, go through and check out a few things, and we'll go from there. My cameraman for today is a camera woman. What's her name? Mimi.
Just
Okay.
call me Mimi.
That's Mimi, right there. You got Mimi here. So we are just taking a little motorcycle ride. I think I'm going to do a motorcycle vlog. It's a pretty nice ride up here to Tarlac. About an hour, 15 minutes on a motorcycle. And the weather was perfect today. We thought we were going to get some rain, and it looked pretty bad, but we're here, so we're going to take a little walk. Come on, let's go. All right, we just arrived here in Tarlac. The parking area is pretty nice, actually. Very easy access. A huge motorcycle parking. Alright, let's get in and walk around a little bit and see. And we're diving into my favorite cyber zone. This mall is actually in, how many levels was it? 4 levels on it, right?
Yeah, they have a four floors.
4 floors, and on the top floor, and that's where we are right now, they have the tech department, cyber zone. So we are going to just walk around a little bit today, check out. We get approached by people who want to sell us stuff all the time.
Yeah.
One thing I am amazed about the malls here in Philippines is that it seems like every mall has a lot of people. I just came back from United States, and malls are a dying breed over there. Don't know what causes that, but I have my suspicion that Amazon and some of the online retailers is about to kill that, as well as Walmart killing all small business in the U.S. That's part of the new development that is happening around the world, I guess.
Yeah.
At Philippines, there is literally thousands of people in here today, just walking around, shopping. It's kind of. So this is like the tech department. Here you can find
Lots of kind stuff of
cell phones, yeah.
More in gadget, right?
And electronics, computers, a lot of other things is there. The Sun Shop is
There's a smart.
Sun and Smart. Those are the 2 carriers here in Philippines, I think.
And then Globe.
Yeah, I did see a Globe store here somewhere. I'm not so sure exactly where, but it's in here somewhere. It's a pretty big area, actually, surprisingly. Tarlac is about, I think, about 35 or 40 kilometers north of where we live. So we just decided today to get out a little bit, get on the motorcycle and do something. And strolling around in the mall on a hot day is not that bad.
Yeah, but the traffic is bad.
Yeah, it was kind of bad traffic.
I think the best time next time we go there, we need to the time. Maybe when we go there early, less traffic.
Yeah.
We go on that mall when in a rush hour. That's why we stuck in
Yeah,
traffic.
we came up a little late, I guess. I
Yeah.
was surprised when we got there. It was already like 3 p.m., 4 p.m.
Yeah, it's bad traffic.
Yeah. But anyway, we're going down here on, I think, on the second floor, or maybe the
Yeah,
ground
that
floor.
one is second floor.
And here comes something my wife has interested in. She took the camera out and she's running around filming all the cars. Here you can see a couple of the levels above it. The mall is designed very, very nicely. And even though there's a lot of people, as you can see, it still don't feel overcrowded. So it's amazing. But anyway, here we have a parade of cars. What car is this? I saw Hohem is there for sure. I guess that is
Yeah,
one of them.
I like the white color.
The white cars?
Yeah, the white
Yeah.
cars.
Yeah, they're nice. But we have a motorcycle, so we ain't getting no car.
Oh yeah.
I don't want a car.
Much more more access when you use motorcycle.
Yeah, when you ride around on a motorcycle, you can get around a lot quicker. And the other thing I saw in this mall also, the food courts are huge, and you have basically any American fast food restaurant you can imagine. Yeah, I saw Pizza Hut, of course McDonald's. Yeah, you can see Pizza Hut there, right there in the image.
Yeah, when there's a Pizza Hut, there is a Jollibee, McDo,
Burger King,
Burger King, Wendy's.
Wendy's,
What is it?
and a lot more.
Lot of food
Yeah,
restaurant.
down in the corner there you see the Burger King. So I was surprised, but the food court is really nice. There's a nice layout on it,
Yeah, why?
and very wide. Even though it's hundreds of people in there eating today,
It's
still,
because you
still
know why,
didn't feel crowded.
you know
What?
why people always go to the mall?
No.
It's because it's cold.
Cold, yeah, yeah. My wife says Filipinos go to the mall because it's cold.
Yeah.
Cool off.
That's where he is.
Maybe it's not shopping too much.
No. Even if you don't have money, you go to the mall
Yeah,
and then sit down over there and feel the breeze,
yeah. Air conditioned
air
breeze.
condition.
All right, here's another Hohem. That's the white one she likes. Another thing, guys, apologize a little bit for the shaky video. Unfortunately, my gimbal took a hit, and due to my own fault, actually. I
Overcharge.
I overcharged it. They recommend a 1.5 amp. I had a 2 amp, and then I left it for 24 hours, and that it didn't like it, so it wouldn't power
Yeah.
up again. However, I have ordered a new one, just one Shopee, and just got notification it has arrived in the area, so I'm expecting delivery hopefully by Monday or Tuesday. And here's the little train, and that's something. I thought kids was riding those trains, but I saw some adults
Yeah.
going from one end to the other. They're too
Yeah,
lazy to walk.
I love to ride the train also.
Yeah, too lazy to walk.
Yeah.
All right, here we are on the third floor, I think, and looking down. It's pretty amazing. Nice appliance stores, SM Appliances here, and a lot of other stores, clothing, pretty much anything you can imagine. I saw at least 3 or 4 vision centers in there of different brands, different kinds. A lot for the kids to do as well. There you go. There's the Burger King. my cameraman is doing this job today, I guess. Alright guys, this is just a short little thing. Just wanted to show you the mall. We are heading out back down, and we're gonna go for another ride, and I'll probably do a little motor vlog once that time comes.
Yeah.
Alright guys, there was a little bit of walking around in a mall unknown to us up in Tarlac, SM Tarlac. Surprise, big mall, and we'll be back here again. Love the place, a lot of good food, a lot of good stuff. Thank you for watching, God bless, bye bye, share, like, and subscribe.